Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add extra information to your products in Squarespace 7.1. If you want to help your customers make better decisions, answer their common questions, or just give shoppers all the important details they need, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add custom information, like limited availability, special features, or helpful notes directly to your products, right where people will see it while shopping. Let's get started. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. You'll need to be logged in to access all your store's settings. If you've never explored these controls before, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step and explain what's happening as we go. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Products and Services. This is essentially the heart of your online store, the place where you manage everything you sell. Click into Products and Services, and you'll see a list of all the products you've already added. Next, it's time to choose the specific product you want to update. If you're not sure which item could use more information, think about common customer questions. For example, maybe you sell seasonal fruits or a product with unique shipping requirements. These are perfect cases for adding extra details. Scroll through your products and find the one you want to update. When you hover over it, you'll notice 3 dots appearing on the right side of the product listing. Those dots are your key to more options, so go ahead, click on them. Then choose Edit. This will open up the editing panel for that product. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the section called Additional Info. Clicking on Additional Info lets you add custom text that goes beyond your basic product title or description. Think of it as the spot for details that don't quite fit elsewhere. It might be something like allergy notes, limited offers, or any special shipping terms. Let's put it into practice. Say you're selling apples, and maybe this particular variety is only available for purchase during the months of January to February. In your Additional Info section, simply type something clear and helpful. For example, this particular apple variety is only available for purchase during the limited months of January to February. This kind of information can make a real difference. It sets expectations, helps your shoppers plan ahead, and may even create a little buzz or urgency around your product. Once you've finished adding your information, hit Apply to lock it in. Squarespace will update that section with your new content. Take a quick moment to review what you've written. It's always good to check that it's clear, friendly, and easy to understand. If you need to tweak anything, you can always edit again before your changes go live. Finally, just click Save to make sure everything is set. That's it. Your additional info is now attached to your product and visible when customers view it. It really is as simple as a few clicks, but the impact it can have on customer trust and satisfaction is huge. If any part of this process feels tricky, just take it slow and remember, you can always change or update the information later. Squarespace makes it pretty forgiving to experiment, so don't be afraid to try things out and see what works best for your shop. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Squarespace, selling online, or anything else you want to learn more about. And if you want even more helpful guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. See you next time.